Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. Jamaraj's business is to see how much sinful this living entity is, and he is offered a similar body. Karmana daivanetrena. You will be judged after your death, every one of us. Of course, if we take Krishna consciousness seriously, then the path is automatic. Automatically, you go back to home, back to God. There is no question of judgment. Judgment is for the criminals, the rascals who are not Krishna conscious. But if you become Krishna conscious, even if you cannot finish the job in this life, even if you fall, still you will be given another chance of human body to begin where you ended, to begin from the point where you fell down. That is, that was Salpamapi yasya dharmasya trayate mahato vaya. If you have taken to Krishna consciousness, try to execute it very seriously. Means to follow the rules and regulations, chant Hare Krishna, that's all. 5 things. No illicit sex, no gambling, no meat eating. We don't prohibit sex, but illicit sex is more sinful. More sinful. Unfortunately, they are so rascals, one sex to another, another sex to another, another sex. That is Maya's illusion in flesh. But if you stick to Krishna, Mameva prapadanti, mayame tang taranti. If you catch up Krishna's lotus feet very tightly, then you will not fall down. But if you make a show of so-called brahmachari, so-called grihastha, so-called sannyasi, then you will fall down. We are experiencing that. Then you must fall down. Krishna will not tolerate a defaulter, a pseudo-devotee. Maya is very strong. Immediately cut her. Come on. Why you are here? Why you are in this society? Get out. That is Jamaraj's duty. But if you remain in Krishna consciousness, Jamaraj will not touch you. Your death is stopped from the point where you begin Krishna consciousness. Your death is stopped. Nobody is prepared to die. That is a fact. You may say, I may say, no, I am not afraid of death. And that is another rascaldom. Everyone is afraid of death. And nobody wants to die. That is a fact. But if you are serious about that thing, that I shall stop my process of death, dying process, then it is Krishna consciousness. Therefore it is advised. Aho niloke tiyeta horidilam mritang vachaha. Oh, the human society, you have got this body. Just go on drinking the nectarine of Krishna Katha. It is advised here. Aho niloke. Especially it has been advised in the niloke, the human society. It is not addressed to the dog loke or cat loke. They cannot. They have no capacity. Therefore it has been niloke. Nayang deho deho bhajang niloke. Another verse in the 5th canto. Nayang deho deho bhajang niloke. Kastan kaman arati birbhujang ji. These are the Bhagavad. There is no comparison, there is no literature throughout the universe like Srimad Bhagavatam. There is no comparison, there is no competition. Every word is for the good of the human society. Every word, each and every word. Therefore, we stress so much in the book distribution. Somewhere or other, if the book goes in one's hand, he will be benefited. At least we will see, they have taken so much price. Let me see what is there. If he reads one sloka, his life will be successful. If he reads one sloka, one word, this is such nice things. Therefore you are stressing so much. Please distribute book, distribute book, distribute book. Greater Mridanga. We are chanting, playing our Mridanga. It is hard within this room or little more. But this Mridanga will go home to home, country to country, community to community. This Mridanga. So, it is advised that Niloke means the human form of body. In the human society, we don't discuss that this American society or this is European society, this is Indian society. No, all human beings. All human beings. It doesn't matter what he is. All human beings. What to speak of civilized men, even uncivilized, Anarja, they are also described in the Bhagavad. Kirata hunand pulinda pappasa abhira sambha javana khasada. These names are there. Kirata. Kirata means the black. The Africans, they are called Kirata. Kirata huna andhra. Huna, the nation or the community on the North Pole, above Russian, German, they are called Huno. There are so many we do not know. Khasadaya, the Mongolians. Khasadaya means who does not grow sufficiently mustaches and beard. This Mongolian group. Hirata hunand pulinda pukkasa abhira sumbha javana khasada. Javana. The militias, javanas means those who are Mohammedans and others. So, they are also included. Niloke, because it is Niloke, every human being. Superficially, externally, there may be this nation is better than that nation. That is fact. The Aryans and non-Aryans, there are division. Civilized, non-civilized, educated, non-educated, cultured, non-cultured, black, white, this and that. There are externally this, but that distinction is of the body. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna